Today I'd like to introduce you to the tool called Screencastify. Screencastify is an add-on to the Chrome browser that you can add on to your teacher computer or to Chromebooks. Students also have the ability to add this add-on to their Chromebooks as well. What Screencastify allows you to do is to record anything that is on your screen with both video and audio, so to create a screencast. First thing to do in order to get started is to download Screencastify from the web store. So if you go to your apps and then select web store, you're going to do a search for Screencastify. And when you do that, it's going to be the first one on the list and you're going to add it to Chrome. This has been added to the student side as well, so students can also perform this search and add it to their Chromebooks. Select Add Extension, and you will see some downloading progress in the lower left of your screen. Once it's downloaded, it will give you a little pop-up up here that shows that Screencastify has been added. You can either use the extension by clicking on the icon, it looks like a film strip, or by pressing the Alt, Shift, and S. I always just use the icon, it's the easiest thing to remember. Once you have Screencastify added to your Chrome browser, it is very simple to set it up and to use it. So if you go ahead and you click on the Screencastify icon, your step one is going to be to sign in with Google. Enable the permissions simply by checking the boxes and choosing Next and Allow. And then you're set up and you're ready to record. It will give you an opening video that shows you kind of how to do it, but I will also review the basic steps next. So to actually record with Screencastify, it's a very easy process for you or for your students. You're going to come up here and go to the icon and go ahead and click on that. It's going to give you the pop-up. You have a few options. You can either choose to record just a specific tab that you might have open on your computer. You can choose to record your entire desktop, or you have a cam option that activates the webcam that is currently in your device. Each of those options have very similar choices underneath them. So we'll just take a look at desktop here. You have the audio setup, so your microphone should have the check mark to be active. You will notice that you have a select option. If when you speak you see this green bar moving up and down, you know that your microphone is active and linked with Screencastify and you do not need to make any changes. Everything is working just fine. If when you speak you do not see this green bar moving up and down, it means that it is not picking up whatever microphone is in your device, and you'll want to make sure that you choose the correct microphone from the drop-down option. You can choose to embed the webcam, so if you want your webcam to record your face as you are presenting your material or as your student is presenting their material, you can choose to embed webcam as well. Once you have those simple settings set, you're just going to go ahead and click Record Desktop. And when you do that, it's actually going to give you the option for your device to choose your entire screen, or if you have an extended screen setup, it's going to give you your other screen as well. So you can choose to record on your main screen or on your extended screen if you happen to be using that. Once you choose your screen, you're going to select Share.
Three.
It will give you a countdown to recording. And after that 1 comes up, you are now currently recording your voice along with anything that you do on your screen. You will notice down here at the bottom, there is a little note, Screencastify, screen video recorder is sharing your screen. That will remain until you finish your presentation and you select Stop Sharing. Once you select Stop Sharing, it will process your video, and your video will, and after that one come up for you to preview. If at that point you don't like this preview, it's not what you wanted, you can go ahead and delete it. From this screen, you can also choose to download it to a disk. Notice along the right-hand side, it shows you that it already has been uploaded to Google Drive. So as soon as you record, it automatically pushes it to the Google Drive. If we come over here and we open up a new tab and we go to Drive, we will see that we have uploaded a recording today. You can now also download it. The other thing you can do from here is to share it. So we can share either on YouTube or Google Drive, and then we can get a shareable link for our video file. I always recommend, just to be on the safe side, doing the save to disk option. That way you know for sure that your video has been saved. And it will save it just as a regular video file. The option to crop or trim, unfortunately, is not available in the free version. It's one of the limiting factors of the free. So just be sure that when you make your selection as to what you want to record, everything that is on your screen is what you want visible to whoever is watching the video. If you would like to give this tool a try and you'd like some help setting it up or putting it into practice, or you'd like to have your students give it a try and you're not quite sure how that would look, please feel free to drop in and see me or send me an email with any questions or to set up a time, and we can figure something out that will work for both of us.